Hello guys, this is Jay Shankar and today we are gonna unbox a package from Cubelelo. So let's start. I'm cutting here this. So it is covered in a foam package and under that are some boxes. This is a QiYi Xman Tornado V2. You can see at the bottom. And this is a free thing I got, a cube stand from Cubelelo. This is a Yuhu Megaminx. And this is MGC 4x4. So let's open them in a bit. This is the free cube stand I got from Cubelelo. This is a Megaminx and that is tutorial. I know how to solve, so no need. As you can see, the Megaminx is wrapped in plastic wrapper. So let's open it. So it is turning quite well. So now let's open the YJ MGC 4x4. And its packaging is pretty cool. First you open it to the side, then you open it up. We got an accessory box and the YJ 4x4, and under that nothing is there. So let's keep it aside. In that accessory box we got some extra springs of different power, a screwdriver, a tutorial to how to solve the 4x4. Now let's open the Tornado V2. By the way, if you guys like the video, then like, subscribe and share the video and comment how if you want. And the links for these cubes will be in the description. So as you can see, it is in a box. And in this accessory box there are some things, a leather pack, leather cube cover, and this is the user manual inside that is made of leather. This is a user manual. This is very important. And there is some card and wiping thing. And in this is our cube. Let's open it. It is turning quite well. It is very good.